So a breast augmentation is enhancement of a woman's breast. We have multiple modalities or ways in which we can do it. There's breast implants, and those can come either in saline or silicone gel implants. And then we can also use fat grafting. So we can lipo areas of excess fat, most commonly the torso. So abdomen, back, flanks, but we can also do arms and legs, and then use that fat and place it back in the woman's chest to augment the breast. We decide which modality we're going to use, whether fat grafting or an implant. When the patient comes in, we have a conversation about what their goals are. What are they looking for? And I ideally like to see photos, or if they don't have a wish photo when they come in, we try to look at my before and afters and see if they're happy with just a fat grafting result, or if they really want something more augmented looking like an implant. And then also there's multiple different sizes, profiles of implants, and so having an idea of what the patient's goal is really helps me nail down exactly what we're going to use and tailor the surgical plan to their goals and needs. Recovery time for breast augmentation, we really need just a long weekend. So typically we would do this surgery if we do it on a Tuesday. I operate on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If we do it on Tuesday, they can be back to work by Friday. Ideally, most people would want to have this done on a Thursday and be back on Monday.